Whenever I've had conversations about AI, a commonly asked question by CEOs, educators, policymakers, and even government officials is, but large language models like OpenAI are built on top of information scraped from the internet. How can a large language model know data that's pertinent to my organization? And here comes the concept of RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generative AI. I know it's a mouthful, but it really is a game changer if you want to use a large language model or generative AI to be actually combined with the power of the knowledge in your organization. So RAG has two key capabilities. Number one, it actually goes and crawls your website and accesses your SharePoint documents or any area where you're storing documents like Jira tickets, Confluence, policy documents, research documents, etc. You just have to point the tool, and the tool actually learns and stores it in the vector database and retrieves it very, very quickly. So hence the retrieval. The second key capability is it takes your information and with the help of a prompt template will combine it as an input to the large language model. So ultimately your responses will be human generated language. So imagine if you're a healthcare provider, you have your policy documents, you have your research papers, you have a corpus of information that you can actually feed to the RAG tool, and that would take and combine it with the power of large language model to produce very hyper-personalized chat responses or a report generation, whatever the output you want to actually provide to your customers or clients. And here are two tools that actually could be used for RAG implementations in enterprises or large organizations. Number one is AWS Kendra, and number two is Azure, Microsoft Azure Cognitive Search. These two are so new that you wouldn't find a ton of documentation online. But believe you me, I have recently implemented RAG, and these are really, really powerful tools that can help organizations hyper-personalize a large language model to your specific information. There you go. This is RAG demystified, and if you're working on implementing RAG,